Jeepers, jeepers, what's going on here? Okay, well, this is the MOT Rhythm. Let's see if I can reattach it. Oh, there we go. I'm a little under the weather. But let's see, I think this is a stainless steel if I were to guess. So I'm going to compare it to my other one. So this is the same one, but this one's customized with another, to make it look cooler, I guess. I don't know. Same thing, same feel. I actually like this one a lot. For some reason, this one's a little heavier. And I also want to compare it to this Don't Touch MOT. I forget what this one's called, but this is a mechanical version of that. It's all a personal thing, but I like the mechanical version. This thing is crispy. This one's a magnetic version of this called the Rhythm. Oh, this is the groove. There you go. But yeah, I like this. The creativity to this, because you can turn it any way that you want and push it that way. So it's very unique. There's a lot of ways to fidget with this one. It's very satisfying. It's hard to explain the feeling that you get, but like it. Also, you can do it quiet, which is also really good if you wanted to. You can just do the spinning move. Here's the mechanical version. The one that I prefer a little bit. Whew, that looks good. That looks good. Alright, I just want to show you these guys. We're gonna get out of here.